Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to teach you some of the best fong skirts. Okay, 5 best and easiest fong skirts for beginners and for advanced magicians. So now, without wasting time, let's move on to the tutorials of these fong skirts. But before that, do me a huge favor, kindly subscribe my channel. Now let's move on to the first fong skirt. Before moving on to the first one, as you are able to see, all these cards are in a brand new deck order. Okay, so now what you will do, the first one. The performance is like this. I have cut this card very quickly, but nothing is changed. Now I will teach you how to do this. This is the most easiest fong skirt. Okay, but you need to learn this card. Means you need only one thing while doing this cut, and that is speed. First of all, you will cut around half of the deck with the index finger. This is known as the swing cut. Shift these cards to this hand, and then drop the rest of the card here on the table, and then these cards on top of it. So nothing is changed, yes? But if you do it very slowly like this, your spectator will notice that you are not cutting this card, yes? It's doing a messing of this card. So you will do it very quickly so that your spectator doesn't notice anything. You can practice this card in a table, okay? So just practice your speeding up and you will be able to learn this card very easily. Now let's move on to the second one. The second one is also like this, but this time you will do it 2 times, means double. I will show you now. This is the performance view. I have cut this card, but still nothing is changed. I've cut this card a lot of times. This is one of my favorite fong skirts because this really convinces people that I am really cutting this card, but nothing is happening. All the cards are still in the brand new deck order. Now I will teach you how to do this. Index finger, again a swing cut, shift these cards completely to your left hand, and again a swing cut, shift these cards, but this time you are giving a pinky break on top of this card. Don't mix this card with this card, or else this is not a fong skirt. Drop these cards on table, and then you can again cut these cards. Okay, it's your choice to cut these cards or not. And then shift these cards to your left hand. Again, make sure to give the pinky break. Keep these cards right there. Keep these cards, take these cards from the pinky break, and then again you can give again a fong skirt. So this was that. So now let's move on to the third fong skirt. So the third one is like this. This is again a fong skirt. You will hold this card in this way and then take around half or maybe less than that from the bottom and then tap. Keep this card quickly and then these cards again on top. Okay, and this was the export view like this, and the performance view will be very fast. Nothing really knows what we were doing. Now let's move on to the fourth. So the fourth one, you will keep these cards on the table, and the performance of this fong skirt is like this. So like this you will do this, okay, but nothing is changed. All these cards are in their position. Now I will teach you how to do this. You will keep this card right there and then cutting around half of the deck and keep this card very far aside from these cards, and then again cutting around half of the deck, keep this card right there, and then take these cards, keep it right there, and then again take these cards, keep it right on top. This is again a very easy and nothing is changed. Now let's move on to the last one, and this one will be a very aggressive and advanced fong skirt, number 5. So the performance is like this. This was the performance. So now I will teach you how to do this. Swing cut, keep this card there, swing cut, but this time no you will keep the bottom half right there, okay? And diagonally, make sure to place it diagonally, and then with your ring finger and your right hand thumb finger, you will hold the bottom gap and shift this diagonal cards with your left hand thumb finger to your to your left hand, and then and then make sure to hold these cards in this way, and these cards are in this way, yes. So with the left hand thumb finger, roll these cards, keep it right there, and then these cards on top of it. Practice it, you will be able to do this very easily. And again, all these cards are still in a brand new deck order. So hope you like this. Learn this tricks, and I'm coming with the next video with a new tutorial. So thanks for watching. Bye for now. Peace out.